Hello everyone, my name is Siobhan Robinson and I am going to show you how to add a Twitter feed plugin to your WordPress website. Within your WordPress dashboard, hover over the Plugins tab and select Add New. I will now make a search using the word Twitter to see what comes up. The plugin Custom Twitter Feeds looks like a good bet thanks to the highly rated reviews, so let's install that one. After the quick installation, select Activate. Now, click the settings link underneath the plugin. Here, we want to log into your Twitter account to get your access token and your access token secret. These will allow you to connect your Twitter account to your WordPress site. You will now be met with an authorization page that asks if you want to authorize the plugin's access to your Twitter account. Select Authorize App. After redirecting back to your dashboard, you will see that the access token and secret fields have been generated. Click Save Changes. Now, hover over the Appearance tab and select Widgets. Here you will find the Custom Twitter Feeds plugin. Click the drop-down menu to select which part of the website you would like the plugin to show up. I am okay with it showing up on my blog sidebar, so I will go ahead and click the Add Widget button. To see what the Twitter Feed plugin looks like on your page, click on the Manage with Live Preview button. On the right, you will see my new and shiny Twitter feed. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to add a Twitter feed plugin to your WordPress website. Thank you for watching.